how to enable or disable increase quote level to add indentation in the Mail app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on the Mail app. Then swipe up and go down to the composing section. In here, tap on increase quote level. At the top here, tap on increase quote level. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. By default, this is set to on. With these features, it will add a level of indentation when you forward or reply to a message. Now after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to the settings page or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.